The Clearstream 4V antenna from Antennas Direct has a range of up to 70 miles, giving you the ability to receive a multitude of free, high-definition local broadcast networks with expanded programming. The Clearstream 4V can be installed in your attic or on your roof and comes with everything you see here. Today we will focus on exterior installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, a power drill with a 3/16 drill bit, ratcheting drivers sized 8 and 10 millimeters, and some coaxial cable. First, attach each antenna base to the center of each reflector by clicking securely in place. Attach the crossbars to the back of the reflectors using the 1 5/8 threaded bolts. Position the loop elements so that the Antennas Direct logo on each is in the same orientation. Then, add each loop element to the antenna bases using the 3.5-inch bolts. Attach the U-bolt to the backplate of the mounting hardware and then thread through the holes in the crossbars. Attach the rest of the clamp hardware to the U-bolt and finish loosely with the wing nuts. Next, loosely attach wing nuts to the screws on the back of the loop elements. Then, join the combiner bars with the screws and tighten in place with the wing nuts. Using the short coaxial cable provided, thread one end into the UHF in connector on the VHF dipole kit. Then, raise the dipoles into the up position. Attach the VHF dipole kit onto the first and second bar of the reflector. Now, connect the other end of the coaxial cable with the weather boot to the antenna. Now, it's time to assemble the J-mount mast. Attach the J-mount mast to the mount base using the hex bolts and nuts. Visit antennapoint.com and enter your zip code. You will find a list of stations, distance, and a precise compass heading. If you don't have a compass, simply download a free app from your preferred app store to your smartphone. Before installing the antenna outdoors, it is important to test the antenna in a location that offers the clearest possible view in the direction of the broadcast towers, avoiding placement around tall trees and buildings. Mark the mast base position on your desired surface. Then, drill a 1.5-inch deep hole with a 3/16 drill bit for each mounting bolt. Next, place ceiling pads over each drill hole. Push an indentation into each of the ceiling pads so that you can see where you drilled the holes. Then, place the base on top of the ceiling pads and use a ratchet or drill to tighten the bolts. Before installing your antenna, make sure the mast is adjusted so that it is vertical. Slide the antenna over the top of the mast and tighten loosely into place. Place the mount base end cap on the J-mount mast. Connect one end of your own coaxial cable into the UHF VHF out connector on the dipole kit and the other end into your television. Then, on your television, make sure that your input is set to antenna or air, and then scan for channels. If you are not receiving signals for the available channels, you may need to reposition your antenna and rescan. And that's it. You are now ready to receive free over-the-air television with unsurpassed quality compared to cable or satellite.
Antennas Direct Clearstream 4V TV antenna, 70+ mile range, UHF/VHF, multi-directional, indoor, attic, outdoor, mast W/pivoting base/hardware/adjustable clamp/ceiling pads, 4K ready, black, C4V, CJM. Best performance among all antennas rated in the 70-mile range category. Note: location, obstructions, and building materials affect reception. Receive free TV from networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, CW, PBS, Univision, MeTV, and more in 1080 where available. Dedicated UHF and VHF multi-directional elements deliver range and reception in less than ideal locations. Includes Clearstream 4V antenna, 20 inches mount, all-weather mounting hardware, and instructions. Coaxial cables sold separately. Antenna technology and performance. Clearstream Eclipse indoor TV antenna. Setup is so easy. This ultra-thin antenna uses the same loop in our outdoor series, so you'll receive the highest standard of performance. Includes uniquely formulated strip to peel stick this antenna to any smooth surface, no hooks, velcro, or damage to your walls. Perfect for city, dorm rooms, RVs, take your TV antenna anywhere. Includes 12 feet of detachable coaxial cable. Clearstream Eclipse amplified indoor TV antenna. This ultra-thin antenna uses the same loop in our outdoor series, so you'll receive the highest standard of performance. Boost signal strength with the included Jolt 15 dB USB inline amplifier system to provide signal amplification for efficient turning. The result is a clean signal to your TV. The amplifier includes a USB cable to connect directly into the USB port on your TV and will only draw power when the TV is turned on, eliminating power consumption. Includes uniquely formulated strip to peel stick this antenna to any smooth surface, no hooks, Velcro, or damage to your walls. Includes 12 feet of detachable coaxial cable. Clearstream 2V indoor-outdoor TV antenna with mast. The Clearstream 2V antenna uses patented technology to receive reliable TV signals 60+ miles away from broadcast towers. This antenna is ideal for suburban and rural areas where heavy foliage or roofing materials reduce the incoming signal. The dedicated UHF and VHF multi-directional elements deliver range and reception in less than ideal locations. Engineered to respond to a greater range of frequencies along with a wide beam angle, eliminating the need for rotation, while the reflector focuses the antenna's power for added range and provides protection against multipath interference. Clearstream 4V indoor-outdoor TV antenna with mast. Engineered with performance and long-range reception 70+ miles away from broadcast towers. Dedicated UHF and VHF multidirectional elements deliver range and reception in rural areas where the incoming signal may be reduced by heavy foliage or roofing materials when installed in an attic. The Clearstream 4V was designed to respond to a greater range of frequencies along with a wide beam angle, eliminating the need for rotation, while the reflector focuses the antenna's power for added range and provides protection against multipath interference. Whole home ready. There are many advantages to installing your TV antenna outdoors or in the attic. Installing the antenna as high up as possible will result in fewer obstructions and less interference, noise, from electronic devices in your living area. A single attic/outdoor antenna can service multiple TVs at a time. If your home had satellite or paid cable service before, the coaxial cable needed to send the antenna's signal to all your TVs is already installed. Antenna point. With antenna point, aiming your antenna is easy. Antenna point allows you to view all the TV transmitting towers in your area and shows the distance to each tower and a TV channel list. The app will identify your location and provide the TV coverage zone, so you can quickly see if the antenna you are interested in purchasing is powerful enough to receive all of the available TV channels. Your satisfaction is important. Our products and service are the best in the industry. We are so confident you'll be happy with your purchase that we back them with one of the industry's most comprehensive guarantees against any defects in materials or workmanship for as long as you own the product.